What's up YouTube? Welcome back. Another day, another ride. So today we are heading out to Shoolagiri. It's gonna be a short ride, around 70-75 kilometers roughly, and we'll be taking the inside routes after Attibale itself. It's my first time going to that place as well. I don't have any expectations. Looked nice on Google Maps, so yeah. Right now I'm heading over to the meeting spot where I'm gonna be joined by 3 people. Yeah, fingers crossed for a good ride. I mean, I hope there's fog today, because last week when my friends went towards Krishnagiri, they had so much fog. They were like, they couldn't see what was in front of them and they had to turn their hazards on and all. So yeah, where should I go?
A few minutes later.
Hello. So we have actually 2 people today. Hello. So we have 2 people today. One's on the Ninja 300 and the other one's on the Hunter. A Triumph Speed 400 couldn't come because the bike didn't start apparently. Yep, it was cranking but then it didn't start. It wasn't the immobilizer or anything. But yeah, I'll put up the reason why it didn't start once I get to know. So I guess it's around 70-75 kilometers from here. I'm not sure. Should I skip? Nope. No skipping signals. Hello. Hello. Whoa. This is my first time on the double-decker flyover. Oh, this is fun. I completely forgot that Electronic City flyover is a tolled flyover, and I didn't give the guys a warning. Might have to face a little beating in the end. We'll see. We've diverted off Attibale and now we are heading towards Mattigiri, I believe. Yeah. I think it's going to be single lane roads from now on. We're done with tea and we have 30 kilometers left for the destination. Quite a lot of truck traffic and not a lot of bikers, I believe. This road is absolutely beautiful. My god, look at the amount of fog over there. Not a lot of traffic, so we're getting to enjoy the views of the interstate. God damn. You know what? Next time I'm coming to Tamil Nadu, my native, I'm going to take this road. I know there's a new highway being constructed from Bangalore to Dharmapuri in Rayakote, but still, look at these roads. These roads are where you see a lot of things. You get to see the scenery, you get to see bad drivers, like so, and that's what makes you a good driver, I believe, or a rider. There's this place called Rocky Ridge Cafe. It's quite famous for bikers, and apparently it's closed today, being a Monday, and they're only open on Saturday and Sunday. So I spoke to the owner of Rocky Ridge Cafe, and he was so down to earth. And even though they're closed on the weekdays, he said, you know what, if you really need a coffee, I can make it for you in Rocky Ridge. Just show up over here. So yeah, what a man. His name's Mr. Girish. Whoa. His name's Mr. Girish, and shout out to him. Do you want to stop and go, or do you want to take your bike? See, it might be tough. Little tough. It's only 700 meters from here. Be careful here. Don't give too much throttle. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Do not use your front brake. Come on, you got this. That's easy, easy, come on. Very good. Do not use your front brake. Come, leave. Don't use your front brake, use your rear brake. It's better if we leave the bike here, we don't have to go there. Off-road boots, off-road booting. God damn it. We are heading back to Bangalore. We spent somewhere around 1 hour over here. Got my shoes washed and my socks wet. Yeah. Beautiful place this is. Absolutely beautiful. Almost dropped the bike. Oh, it's time to get my shoes dirty again. Need to change my tires as well. There's absolutely zero traction. Especially in those muddy areas, there's like zero traction. Middle. There. Stay there. Good one. Good one. Good one. Don't use your front brake at all. Very good. Not that much off-road also. Okay, wrong time to hump, buddy. Gotta take a picture for the gram.
Dog.
I saw that. ಬಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. Well, we've been behind this bus for quite a while now. And yeah, I guess with that I'll end this video. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Upkar Royal City, and thank you for watching this video. That was a free promotion. Hi, I am Motor Critic. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Even flow. It's inside. It's inside. I'm gone. I am so. Yeah, you're not waterproof. God damn it. My left leg is soaking wet right now.